Hello dear students, today we will discuss worksheet number 26, Science class 10th, Life Processes. Human respiratory system is the organ system that involves inhaling of oxygen and exhaling of carbon dioxide to meet the energy requirement. Respiratory system parts and function. Nose possesses a couple of exterior nostrils. Tiny hair follicle cover the interior lining of nostrils and act as body's defense against foreign pathogens and provide additional humidity for inhaled air. Larynx, termed as Adam's apple or the voice box. It is the portion which rises and falls during swallowing of food particles. Pharynx, the nasal chamber open up into a wide hollow space termed as pharynx. It is common path for both air and food. It functions by preventing the entry of food particles into the windpipe. The epiglottis is an elastic cartilage which serves as a switch between the larynx and the esophagus. Trachea. The windpipe rises below the larynx and moves down to the neck. The walls comprises of C-shaped cartilaginous rings which protects it from collapsing. Bronchi. The trachea splits into two tubes termed as bronchi, which enters each lung individually. Bronchi divided into secondary, tertiary, and two bronchioles, which is further divided into alveoli. Alveoli. The alveoli are single-celled, thin-walled, balloon-like structure filled with air. Air exchange takes place here, यानी कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड यहाँ छोड़ी जाती है और ऑक्सीजन ली जाती है. Lungs, chief centers of the respiration in human. They are located in the thoracic cavity of the chest near the backbone and on either side of the heart. They are the pair of large spongy organs mainly involved in the exchange of gases between the blood and the air. Compared to the left lung, the right lung is quite bigger and heavier. Here you can see the different parts of lungs and the respiratory system. Here is the nasal passage and the mouth cavity. You can see pharynx, larynx, trachea, rings of cartilages. Here you can see lungs, ribs, diaphragm. आप देख सकते हैं which flattens when we breathe in. Bronchi, bronchioles, alveoli and alveolar sac you can see here. These are the different parts and the inhalation and exhalation. Now we will see the difference between the inhalation and exhalation. Thoracic cavity expands, thoracic cavity contracts, ribs lift up, ribs moved downwards, diaphragm become flat in shape, diaphragm become dome shaped, volume of the lungs increases and air enters the lungs, volume of the lung decreases and air exits from the lungs. Let's discuss some question. What is the function of alveoli? The alveoli provide a surface where the exchange of gases can take place. Name the site for gaseous exchange. Alveoli lungs differentiate between inhalation and exhalation. ये आप same कर सकते हैं. You can do from here. And question 4. Draw a well-labeled diagram of human respiratory system. You can make from the above. Observe the movement of your stomach during inhalation and exhalation. What can be the reason behind your observation? During inhalation, stomach expands because diaphragm flattens, and during exhalation, stomach contracts because diaphragm become dome shaped.